Welcome to Calls Removed.
Tartar buildup on teeth is a common dental problem that can lead to serious oral health issues if not addressed. The bacteria in plaque produce acids that erode tooth enamel, causing cavities and gum disease. Tartar can also lead to bad breath and an unattractive yellow or brown color on your teeth. To prevent tartar buildup, regular brushing and flossing are essential. Using an antibacterial mouthwash can also help keep your mouth clean and fresh. However, despite good oral hygiene, tartar may still form, especially in hard-to-reach areas like the back of the teeth. Dentists use specialized instruments to carefully remove tartar without damaging the tooth enamel.